What's your take on people losing jobs as a result of tech as someone who understands the role that technology is playing in the workplace?
Yeah, that's a really good question. And I think it's a question that has plagued humanity throughout history. When sewing machines were made, some people didn't want to use them because they were like, well, what are the people we've hired to sew going to do? But I think what some people also don't think about is what are the new jobs being created by that technology? I mean, 70 years ago, there wasn't an IT department. Now there's IT, there's coders, there's what we're doing right now. So yes, maybe one way of doing things isn't done that way anymore, but that means that there'll be a new opportunity because with every new technology comes a new opportunity, and we just might not know it yet, but it's going to appear.
Yeah, so I think the old saying goes that every robot you put on the floor takes away one job, but it creates two because now you've got a robot tech, you've got a controls engineer, you've got a mechanical designer. It
Hmm.
just changes what those roles are.
Exactly.